Hello everyone! In this video, we will discuss about different steps involved in supply chain and some examples of supply chain steps for famous companies. The supply chain is the entire process of getting a product or service from its raw materials to the end customer. It's a complex network involving various organizations, activities, and information flows. Here are the typical steps in a supply chain. 1. Planning. It involves forecasting customer demand, assessing necessary resources, raw materials, labor, equipment capacity, defining production schedules, and setting overall supply chain goals to meet market needs efficiently and profitably. 2. Sourcing procurement. This stage focuses on finding and selecting reliable suppliers for the raw materials, components, or services required. It involves negotiating contracts, ensuring material quality, managing supplier relationships, and ensuring timely delivery of goods to meet production demands. 3. Manufacturing or production. Here, raw materials and components are transformed into finished products. This includes activities like assembly, testing, inspection, and packaging. The goal is to produce goods efficiently, minimize waste, and maintain consistent quality. 4. Logistics, distribution. This involves managing the movement and storage of goods. It encompasses warehousing, storing raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Transportation, moving products from manufacturing sites to distribution centers and ultimately to customers, e.g., via trucks, ships, planes. Inventory management, tracking stock levels to ensure product availability while minimizing holding costs. 5. Delivery or fulfillment. This is the final step where products reach the customer. It includes order processing, order fulfillment, picking, packing, and the actual shipment to retail stores, online customers, or other end users. Efficient delivery is crucial for customer satisfaction. 6. Returns. Reverse logistics. This often overlooked but crucial step deals with products flowing backward in the supply chain. It covers managing customer returns, exchanges, repairs, recycling, and proper disposal of products. An effective reverse logistics system can improve customer loyalty and sometimes recover value from returned goods. Now let's look at examples of supply chain steps for famous companies, summarized with key points. 1. Nike. Agility and direct-to-consumer, DTC focus. Raw materials, globally sourced textiles, rubber, and sustainable materials. Manufacturing, 100% outsourced to 120 contract factories in 13 countries, heavy in Vietnam, China, Indonesia, for lean production, strong quality control via lean management and TQM. Logistics and distribution, global and regional distribution centers. Uses AI for inventory and demand sensing to optimize for growing DTC. End customer, sold through wholesale partners and increasingly DTC, Nike.com apps owned stores, robust reverse logistics for returns. 2. Apple. Precision and global integration. Raw materials. Globally sourced precious metals, plastics, glass, and hundreds of electronic components. Manufacturing. Primarily uses contract manufacturers for assembly, employs just-in-time GT inventory, and rigorous quality control. Logistics and distribution. Sophisticated global network, air, ocean freight, strategic warehousing, real-time tracking for precise delivery. End customer. Direct sales via Apple retail stores and online store, also through authorized resellers, comprehensive reverse logistics for repairs and recycling. 3. Coca-Cola. Concentrate and bottling model. Raw materials, locally sourced water, ox sweeteners, proprietary concentrates from TCCC, the Coca-Cola Company, packaging materials. Manufacturing. TCCC produces concentrates. Independent bottling partners mix concentrate with water, sweeteners, carbonate, bottle, and package locally. Logistics and distribution. Localized distribution networks managed by bottling partners, warehousing and route optimization. End customer. Products sold through diverse channels, retailers, supermarkets, convenience stores, and food service, restaurants, vending machines. 4. Zara. Fast fashion's vertically integrated and agile supply chain. Raw materials. Globally sourced fabrics, e.g., cotton, polyester, and dyes. Manufacturing. Largely in-house design and production, primarily in Spain. Just-in-time, JET manufacturing with small, frequent batches. Significant proximity manufacturing for quick response. Logistics and distribution. Highly automated central distribution hub in Spain. Rapid distribution. Frequent deliveries to stores. End customer. Primarily Zara retail stores and growing online presence, offering constantly updated on-trend clothing. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are the factors that affect the supply chain? And please like the video if you enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.